Okay, today we're going to take a look at this Honda SH125. It's a 2014. We're going to grab the camera and have a close look all around the bike for you. Okay, let's go and take a close look at this Honda. It has had a full HPI check and a full government mileage check, and it's all clear. There's only one former key for this bike. Just come with a spare key in the pack, and it's also data tagged. As you can see, it has got the extra large screen on the front, so you're getting some good protection there from the wind and the elements, and it's also got the hand guards as well for added protection. We'll have a look over on the left hand side. As you can see, it does have ABS on this. It's a 125, so it is also learner legal. You can ride this on a CBT. A good look over this side, get a good look at the back. You will also notice it has got a Honda top box on it as well. Let's have a look at the back. Now we'll move over to the right hand side. Look over this. The exhaust and the back wheel on the right hand side. Look over the seat as well. Look at the plastics over on this right hand side. And what we will do is we'll go and take a look up at the controls and get the exact mileage off it as well. Okay, let's get a close look at the controls. As you can see, it does have heated grips on this. It's also got the starter on that side and the kill switch there and the front brake. I'll move over to the left hand side, and you can see you've got your lights, your horn, your indicators and your back brake. And let's move over to the dash and let's get a look at the mileage. It's a bit hard to see there, so it's done 32,993 miles. Okay, let's start this up and listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos, anything close up that you want to see in particular, we can do that and send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, we'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.